So I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart.
Guys, we have to mix the ingredients together. What are you eating, Liam?
Yum.
The white sugar or the brown sugar?
The white sugar.
Oh, all right, that's enough. Thank you. Now,
Mine was really tasty.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. All right, now we're gonna mix it together some
We're
more.
gonna mix it together. Mix all the sugar. That looks good, mommy. That looks very good. Wow. Wow. Look at the sound. I think I like it.
Yes, down there.
What's on here?
Look, A.
What's that?
That's the brown sugar.
It's right.
Yep, that's the
I
brown
got
sugar.
it.
You got it. Thanks, buddy. Let's close it back up, okay?
Oh, no.
No.
White sugar.
That's the white sugar, yeah. Good? Whoa. Luke, do you like it?
I found some white sugar in the bag.
Here's our batter. That's pretty good.
What is it?
It's
Oh.
peanut butter cookie batter.
Peanut butter cookie batter.
Yeah.